Hello, good day. Very super excited to have you here. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch these videos. I'm very happy. So today, as you've seen from the title, I'm going to be showing you the strategy I use personally to be able to catch 100 pips every single day on XAGUSD, which is silver. And for those of you who have never traded silver is a very volatile pair. It moves very much like gold, and there's a lot of trading opportunity. And this strategy is a strategy I use to be able to catch 100 pips every single day from silver. All right, so guys, we'll get straight into it. Let me share my screen. So many of you guys know that 100 pips is really a lot of money, right? So most of you, when you hear 100 pips, you think, oh, 100 pips is small. Really, no, 100 pips can be $100, 100 pips can be $1,000, 100 pips can be different thing to various people. So I'll just show you guys that strategy. So number one is you first of all have to know how to identify the trend, right? So I'll come to the weekly time frame, and you can see obviously gold is now on the buy trend, and on the daily time frame too, you can see that gold is now it was on a downtrend, but now it's retracing up. So now everything we're looking at to be buying gold, right? We're not looking at selling. So now we come to the 1 hour, and you draw your trend line, right? You draw your trend line, and so for me to be able to draw my trend line, I look for so this is the first touch, right? This is the second. This is the first touch. Here is just a retracement. So you can see the strategy, right? Every single time market touch this trend line, literally it can give you 100 pips going up. It's very, look at it, the touch here went up, the touch here, it went up. Now, if price touch here again, at least the second touch, the third touch, usually hold true, especially towards the direction of the 8, would always give you 100 pips. Always. Let's go to 15 minutes and see that. All right, so so you can imagine to look at here. Did you see that it touched here? And what did you see? This is more than 100 pips. Can you see that? It touched the line again. You see, it went up. Your stop loss would have been down here, and it gives you more than 100 pips. So for whatsoever reason again, if this price market moves down here again and touch here, if you had targeted every single day, at least during, if you did not see it on New York session, you see it during London session. So usually that's what I used to make catch 100 pips every single day on silver, right? It's not hard, it's not difficult. Instead of taking 3-5 trades every single day, if you can be patient and just wait for price to come there, it's a lot of waiting, but trust me, it's better you are patient, and when it comes, you know that you can catch your 100 pips, and sometimes even more. I'm just saying 100 pips in case, right? So another thing, some guys can say that sometimes you can see here it came down, it went up, right? So usually in this case, what I do is candlestick confirmation, right? So so when you see this coming down here, once I start seeing that, okay, look at here, it broke here, I will not just enter immediately. I'll wait for what? A engulfing candle, right? An engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing, since it's buy. So immediately this down point, I see this bullish engulfing, right? It has engulfed this other candle. That's when I'll enter. I'll wait for a bullish engulfing. Right, see here, you see this bullish engulfing, cover it, that can take away this the last bearish candle. That's when I enter. Look at this bullish engulfing, that's when I enter. So don't forget, identify the trend, right, and try to stick to the direction of that trend. Then secondly is to go on the 1 hour time frame, and when you go on the 1 hour, draw your trend line, right, and just be patient for price to come to your trend line. And before you enter, we wait for a bullish candle, right? A bullish candle, a bullish engulfing candle if it's a buy, or a bearish engulfing candle as confirmation for you to enter. Literally, if you do this, literally, you can literally catch 100 pips every single day, easy peasy. No stress, honestly. I hope that this add value to you, and see you guys for the next video. Please remember to like and subscribe so that this video can be recommended to other people, and you can join my Telegram community to get my free signals and my free training for free. Thank you so much for your support.